Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today in this video we will discuss about how to download latest version Photoshop beta version. Because Photoshop beta version provide autofill facility by the AI help. So in this video I am show how to download it. Now before downloading Photoshop beta version, you must have to create a Creative Cloud account. If you have already Creative Cloud account, then simply log in it and download it. If you don't have any Creative Cloud account, so first you can register as a Creative Cloud account. So in the Google search bar, type Creative Cloud and search it. After searching, several websites will be open. You can click on the first website, Adobe Creative Cloud. After clicking, we have come to the official website homepage, and here must we log in. So click on the sign in button. If you have already account, then simply log in it. Otherwise, click on the continue with Google. Now select your account. After selecting your account, you need to select your date of birth. So write your date of birth here. Anyway, write anything, and must be you select your country. If you select your country as a India, at this time Indian server is not work for Adobe Photoshop beta version. So I will suggest you to use another country like United States. Okay, United States. Then click on the continue button. So your account is created, and if your account is created, you have already logged in this page. You can see here our account is created, and my account is visible here. So simply click on the home page to go to Adobe Creative Cloud home page, and scroll down this page. Here you can see the download button. Click on it. Here first you download Creative Cloud application in your Windows operating system, then download Photoshop. Otherwise here simply click on the Photoshop to download. But I am suggest you to download Creative Cloud application in your PC. So scroll down this page, and here you can see the download Creative Cloud desktop. Click on it. After that we have come to the download page. Here you can see the download Creative Cloud. Click on it. After that your download will be started. You can see here my download will be started. After completing download, open it. So go to our download folder and run this file. So we have come to our download folder. Now our download will be completed and setup file will be visible here. So double click on it and run this file. So your installation will be started. Click on the continue button. Accept term and condition. After that your installation will be started. Here you can see my installation will be started. After completion installation, I am show how to download Photoshop. After completion of installation, open your Creative Cloud application. After open a Creative Cloud application, this page will be appear first. Automatically your login page will be login as your account which is created on the your browser. You can see here my account is login. Maybe your desktop password is asked when you open your cloud computing application. Enter your password and open it. After that, simply click on the app menu and scroll down this page. Here you can see the beta apps. Click on it. After that, all the beta application are available here, and you can see here the Photoshop beta also available here. In the beta application app, you can see the Photoshop beta version also available. Click on the try button. Try button also visible in your Creative Cloud application. Click on it. After clicking, you must be to register. If you register for individual, you need to enter your credit card details, otherwise your card details and bank account details. But I will suggest you to select for team business, because here no need to enter your credit card details and your other card details. So select for team business and click on it. After that, click on the get start and your registration will be started as a business. So write your company name, write your any company name and select your team size and country automatically selected. Select any state and write your zip code. Okay, then simply click on the continue button. After that, your registration will be completed and you are able to log in your Photoshop account. So after login in Creative Cloud account, your Photoshop started download. So go to Creative Cloud account. Okay, okay, get a start. Now here your installation will be started. We have already installed this Photoshop beta version, so not install. Your installation automatically started. After that, simply open Photoshop. Now this is the first page of Adobe Photoshop beta version. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for the watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.